Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're taking a look at 11 apartments currently for sale in Berlin for less than 150,000 euros. We'll explore their prices, locations, sizes, and features to see what kind of property you can still buy in one of Europe's most popular cities. Whether you're looking for a future home, an investment opportunity, or you're simply curious about the real estate market in Germany, this video is for you. Let's get started. Property number 11 takes us to Berlin's Spandau district, where this two-room apartment is currently listed for 150,000 euros. The property offers just over 48 square meters of living space and is located on the first floor of a traditional Berlin building dating back to 1900. Inside, you'll find a spacious living room, a separate bedroom, an independent kitchen, and a large bathroom. Original wooden floors add character and give the apartment a classic Berlin charm. One of the biggest advantages of this property is its location. Spandau station is just minutes away, providing excellent connections across Berlin and beyond. Shopping centers, restaurants, and everyday services are all within easy reach. Whether you're looking for a first home or a rental investment, this apartment offers an affordable opportunity in one of Berlin's most well-connected districts. Property number 10 is located in Wilhelmstadt, a quiet and well-established neighborhood in Berlin's Spandau district. This apartment is listed for 150,000 euros and offers an impressive 74 square meters of living space. That makes it one of the largest properties in today's selection. The apartment is situated in a historic building dating back to 1900. It features high ceilings, classic architectural details, a spacious living area, and a large kitchen with a dining space. One important detail is that the property is currently rented to a long-term tenant. This makes it more suitable for investors looking for rental income rather than buyers planning to move in immediately. The location is another strong advantage. Residents enjoy easy access to local shops, public transportation, and beautiful green areas near the Havel River. For investors seeking an affordable Berlin property with long-term potential, this apartment could be an interesting opportunity. Property number 9 is located in Friedrichshain, one of Berlin's most vibrant and sought-after neighborhoods. Priced at 150,000 euros, this apartment offers 35 square meters of living space and is situated on the third floor of a historic building dating back to 1905. The layout is designed for comfortable single living. Inside, you'll find a bright, open-plan living area that combines the kitchen, dining space, and lounge area into one functional room. The apartment also includes a bathroom, a storage area, and a private basement compartment. Large windows fill the space with natural light and enhance the classic atmosphere of this traditional Berlin apartment. Its location is one of its biggest strengths. Friedrichshain is known for its lively streets, cafes, restaurants, nightlife, and excellent public transportation connections. For buyers looking for an affordable property in one of Berlin's most desirable districts, this apartment could be a very attractive option. Coming in at number 8 is this bright apartment located in Altglienicke, a peaceful residential area in southeastern Berlin. Priced at 150,000 euros, the property offers 41 square meters of living space and is ready for immediate occupancy. Unlike many apartments on the market, this one is completely vacant and available right away. Built in 1998 and recently updated, the apartment features a modern bathroom, a fully equipped kitchen, underfloor heating, and beautiful parquet flooring throughout. One of its standout features is the west-facing balcony, which overlooks green surroundings and receives sunlight well into the evening. Residents also have access to a shared garden area, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The property is located in a well-maintained residential complex with excellent access to major roads and public transportation. For buyers looking for a move-in-ready apartment with outdoor space and a quieter Berlin lifestyle, this could be a very attractive option. At number 7, we have an investment property in Berlin's popular Tempelhof district. Priced at 150,000 euros, this two-room apartment offers 43 square meters of living space and is located on the first floor of a well-maintained residential building dating back to 1939. The apartment features a bright living room, a separate bedroom, a functional kitchen, and a bathroom with a window. Original wooden flooring adds warmth and character to the interior. A private basement storage room provides additional space, while the excellent layout makes the apartment practical and comfortable for everyday living. The property is currently rented and generates steady rental income, making it particularly attractive for investors seeking a long-term asset in the Berlin market. Located in Tempelhof, residents benefit from excellent public transportation, nearby shops, restaurants, and convenient access to parks and recreational areas. For buyers looking for a stable investment in one of Berlin's established residential neighborhoods, this apartment is definitely worth considering. At number 6, we have a compact apartment located in Berlin's vibrant wedding district. Priced at 150,000 euros, this property offers 34 square meters of living space and is situated on the 4th floor of a 7-story building with elevator access. The apartment features a practical one-room layout that makes excellent use of the available space. Large windows bring in natural light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere throughout the home. One of the property's standout features is its private balcony, providing a comfortable outdoor space to relax and enjoy the city views. The building has been well maintained, and the apartment comes with additional basement storage, offering valuable extra space. Location is another major advantage. Residents enjoy quick access to several S-Bahn and U-Bahn lines, making it easy to reach central Berlin and other parts of the city. For first-time buyers, students, or investors seeking an affordable property in a well-connected neighborhood, this apartment could be an excellent opportunity. At number 5, we have a compact apartment in Berlin's desirable Wilmersdorf district, one of the most attractive residential areas in the city's western center. Priced at 150,000 euros, this apartment offers nearly 30 square meters of living space and is located on the 4th floor of a well-maintained building with elevator access. Despite its compact size, the property features an efficient layout and a private balcony, providing a comfortable outdoor space to enjoy fresh air and city views. What makes this property stand out are the building amenities. Residents benefit from a concierge service, a stylish lounge area, a shared garden, and optional access to an on-site fitness studio and underground parking. The apartment is currently rented, making it an appealing option for investors seeking immediate rental income and long-term value appreciation. Located just minutes from public transportation, parks, restaurants, cafes, and the famous Kurfürstendamm area, this property combines convenience, lifestyle, and investment potential. For buyers looking for a well-located Berlin apartment with premium amenities, this could be one of the most interesting listings on today's list. At number 4, we have a charming 2-room apartment located in Berlin's Spandau district. Priced at 150,000 euros, this property offers 42 square meters of living space and is ready for immediate occupancy. Situated on the 1st floor of a well-maintained residential building, the apartment features a bright bedroom, a modern bathroom, and an open living area that flows seamlessly into the kitchen space. One of the highlights of this home is the private balcony overlooking green surroundings. It's the perfect place to relax, enjoy a morning coffee, or unwind after a busy day. The apartment also includes wooden parquet flooring, a fitted kitchen, and additional storage space, creating a comfortable and practical living environment. Located in a quiet area of Spandau, residents benefit from nearby parks, local shops, supermarkets, and convenient access to public transportation. The historic center of Spandau and the Havel River are just a short distance away. For first-time buyers or anyone looking for an affordable home in Berlin, this apartment offers a great balance of comfort, convenience, and value. Taking the number 3 spot is this modern apartment located in Berlin's Adlershof district. Priced at 150,000 euros, the property offers 34 square meters of living space and is situated in a contemporary building completed in 2014. Unlike many older apartments in Berlin, this unit is part of a modern serviced apartment complex and comes fully furnished with high-quality finishes throughout. The apartment includes a private balcony, a modern bathroom, and a fully equipped kitchen area. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, creating a bright and comfortable living environment. One important detail is that this property is designed as an investment. The apartment is professionally managed as part of a serviced accommodation complex, meaning owners receive rental income without having to deal with day-to-day management. Located in Adlershof, one of Berlin's leading technology and science hubs, the area continues to attract students, researchers, and professionals from around the world. For investors looking for a modern, low-maintenance property with stable rental income, this apartment stands out as one of the strongest options on today's list. Taking the number 2 spot is this top-floor apartment located in Berlin's Britz district. Priced at 150,000 euros, the property offers just over 47 square meters of living space and enjoys an elevated position on the 4th and highest floor of the building. The apartment features a practical 2-room layout, including a comfortable bedroom, a bright living room, and a bathroom with natural daylight. One of its biggest highlights is the private west-facing balcony. From here, residents can enjoy open views and beautiful evening sunsets, creating a peaceful atmosphere above the city. The apartment is currently rented and has an established tenant, making it an attractive option for investors looking for immediate rental income. Located in the southern part of Berlin, the property benefits from nearby shops, public transportation, and convenient connections to the city center. With its top floor, location, balcony, and strong investment appeal, this apartment earns its place among the best affordable properties on today's list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is this spacious apartment located in Berlin's Mariendorf district. Priced at 150,000 euros, the property offers more than 49 square meters of living space, making it one of the largest apartments featured in today's distribution branding. The apartment includes a bright main living area, a fitted kitchen, a bathroom, additional storage space, and a private south-facing balcony that receives sunlight throughout much of the day. One of the property's biggest advantages is its excellent balance between space and affordability. With nearly 50 square meters of living area, it offers outstanding value compared to many other apartments currently available in Berlin. The apartment is currently rented, providing immediate rental income for investors seeking a stable, long-term asset. Location is another major benefit. The Mariendorf subway station is just a short walk away, offering direct connections to central Berlin. Parks, shops, restaurants, pharmacies, and everyday services are all conveniently located nearby. For buyers looking for a larger apartment, reliable rental income, and strong transport connection, this property represents an attractive opportunity in the Berlin market. And that's our list of 11 affordable apartments currently available in Berlin for under 150,000 euros. Which property was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you'd like to discover more affordable homes, investment opportunities, and real estate deals across Germany and Europe, make sure to subscribe and join us for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.